Hello kids. It is your EVS textbook, 3rd standard environmental studies book. All of you have no EVS book? Okay. Already we learned about environment. What is environment? What are the uses of environment? Yes or no? Yes. So, let us start the lesson. Okay. Turn the page. See, first lesson. Our first lesson is lesson 1, unit 1, Poonam's day out. First lesson is Poonam's day out. Poonam's day out means what? Are you thinking now? Poonam's day out means? Yes, I know. You all are thinking Poonam's day out. See, how you are sitting now. Now how you are sitting in your house, home. That time, Poonam also is there in her home. You are sitting in your home because of this COVID pandemic, but Poonam is sitting in her home because she is not feeling well. She has fever. Understood now? Poonam has fever. So, she is sitting in her home. Next, what happened? We will see. But now what we understand here? Poonam's day out. Poonam अभी घर में है because of she is not feeling well. She has fever. पूनम को अभी बुखार है इसलिए वो घर में बैठी है. आप लोग भी घर में हो. Why? Because of this corona pandemic. Understood now? Okay. Let us start. Look in this picture, kids. This girl name is Poonam. Look in this picture, kids. This girl name is Poonam. She is Poonam and she is her mother, Poonam's mother. Understood now? Poonam asked to her mother. Poonam asking to her mother, Ma. Poonam asking to her mother, Ma, please let me go to school. Poonam asking to her mother, Ma, please let me go to school. I have been at home for the past 2 days. I am getting bored, said Poonam. पूनम अपने माँ से बोल रही है, माँ लेट मी गो टू स्कूल. आई हैव बीन एट होम फॉर past 2 days. I am getting bored. Her mother told, Poonam's mother told, no, still you have a fever. Still you have a fever. Go outside and lay down on the cot, replied mother. पूनम की माँ ने बोला उसको, अभी आपको फीवर है तो आप बाहर जाकर कॉट के ऊपर सो जाओ. अंडरस्टूड ना किड्स? ओके, नेक्स्ट सी. Poonam went outside because her mother told to Poonam, you go outside and lay down on the cot. So that Poonam fell asleep on the cot. Cot means, kids, it has 4 legs. It is in rectangle shape. You are saying bed. Every night you are sleeping on cot, no? Every day at night you are sleeping on the cot, bed. Okay? That type, Poonam fell asleep on the cot. But the cot was outside. See where it is. Cot was where? Look here. The cot was under the tree. Where was the cot? Cot was under the tree. Poonam's cot is under the tree. See, lie down on this cot. Okay, Poonam, lay down here. When Poonam fell asleep on the cot, suddenly something fell on her face. Poonam woke up at once and touched her cheek. See kids, in this picture on tree, some birds are there, animals are there. You guess that one animal's name? Will you guess? Look here. It is crow. Sorry, it is a cuckoo. It is cuckoo. Crow is here, is there? Because crow is a little big than the cuckoo. It is cuckoo. Okay? Crow. Crow is above here. Crow. Monkey. Look here, it is monkey. Squirrel. Pigeon. Butterfly. Sparrow. Ants. On that tree, monkey, cuckoo, crow, squirrel, pigeon, sparrow, ants was there. When Poonam fell asleep on the cot, suddenly something fell on her face. Poonam woke up at once and touched her cheek. Oh no! Whose mischief is this? Is it the crows? Is it the cuckoos? Is it the pigeons? It seems it is the crow's mischief. Poonam guessed it is the crow's mischief. अंडरस्टूड ना किड्स? क्या हुआ उधर? जब पूनम बाहर आती है, कॉट के ऊपर सो जाती है, तो वहाँ पर एक पेड़ था. पेड़ के ऊपर मंकी, कुकू, क्रो, स्क्वायरल, पिजन, ऑल एनिमल्स बैठे थे. उसमें से क्रो ने क्या किया? मिस्चिफ किया. कहाँ पर? पूनम के चीक पर. अंडरस्टूड ना? ओके, नेक्स्ट सी. देन पूनम pick up a leaf from the ground and wiped her cheek with it. तभी पूनम ने नीचे गिरा हुआ एक लीफ लिया और उसको क्लीन किया. पूनम ने क्या किया? नीचे गिरा हुआ एक लीफ लिया और उसको क्लीन किया. ये देखो, सी इज अ पूनम. सी क्लीन्ड दैट वन. What clean? Crow's mischief. But her cheek was so sticky. Her cheek was so sticky. She thought, let it me go and wash my face near the pond. तब उसने क्या सोचा? मैं अभी pond, near pond है. Pond means, you know, छोटा सा पानी का सोर्स, मतलब वेल जैसा होता है. पॉन्ड, पॉन्ड. आई विल शो यू अ पॉन्ड. व्हाट इज पॉन्ड? लुक. लुक इन दिस पिक्चर किड्स. इट इज द पॉन्ड. That time, Poonam saw lots of different animals. Tell me, which animals did Poonam see at the pond? Look at this picture, kids. See, guess the animals. Near the pond, in the pond, Poonam saw the animals. See, buffalo, frog, goat. Yes or no? Crane, fish, birds. She saw animals where? Near the pond and in the pond. Okay? Kids, today's your homework is, look this one picture. and it is on your textbook also. Page number 1. On page number 1, you see that on page number 1 you have a picture that of tree, and on that tree some animals are there. You write their names. Which animals you saw on the tree? Understood now? Can you spot on the animals? Can you spot on the tree in the picture? Yes. You write their names. Okay? Make a list of the animals you spotted animals on the tree. पेड़ के ऊपर जो भी एनिमल बैठा है उसका नाम लिखो. Next one homework is, see this one pond. Here also you are seeing some animals. Goat, tortoise, bird, buffaloes, so on. You make a list of these animals. Those are in pond and outside of the pond. It is your today's homework. In the next class, I will write and show you these animals' names. Okay? We will repeat this one homework. I will again once time explain you name of these all animals on the tree and in the pond. Okay? And you read the lesson. Understood now? Which one lesson you should read? Poonam's Day Out, page number 1 and page number 2. You read the lesson. Thank you for watching the video.